A baker sold twice as many buns on Sunday than on Saturday. On Monday, he sold a quarter of the buns he sold on Sunday. If he sold a total of 1,260 buns during the 3 days, how many buns did he sell on Sunday? Now, it's even a bit confusing to read this because there's, various days and they're being all compared to each other. So again, something that where drawing it is really going to help us see what's going on. So a baker sold twice as many buns on Sunday than on Saturday. Okay, so we've got, and it makes sense to go Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and twice as many buns on Sunday than on Saturday. So if I have one part on Saturday, I've got twice as many on Sunday. All right, let's check that. All right, and you always need to check whether you've captured the information. So there's twice as many on Sunday than on Saturday. Yes, I'm happy that I have captured that bit of information. Okay. On Monday, he sold a quarter of the buns that he sold on Sunday. Okay, so Monday is going to be one quarter of Sunday, which means I need to split Sundays into quarters. Now, currently it's split into halves, but luckily that's going to be nice and easy. I just cut each of these halves into two pieces, and that's going to give me four equal sized pieces. So that's quarters. Now, I always want to keep the parts the same. I've split these. Remember, originally these were the same. So I need to cut that in half as well. And what are we told? That on Monday he sold one quarter of the buns he sold on Sunday. So that's just one of these new smaller parts. Okay. Am I happy that I've captured that information? Yes. Okay. If he sold a total of 1,260 buns during the 3 days, okay, so that means this whole model represents 1,260. We are asked how many buns did he sell on Sunday? So what are we interested in? Where's our question? That's these parts here. This is where our question is. Okay, so how do we calculate that? Well, we've got a value for the whole model. Okay, how many parts are there in the whole model? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we divide 1,260, if we divide that by 7, we're going to get the value or the number of buns represented by each part, and that is going to give us 180. So each of these represents 180. Okay. I'm just writing these ones in because they're the ones we're interested in, but that's also 180, as are these two. These are each 180. So how are we going to find our answer? Well, hopefully the model makes that easy, especially as we've drawn in the bit that we were wondering about. And that means that we just need to multiply 180 by 4. And that gives us 720 buns. Okay, and that is our final answer. 720 buns were sold on Sunday.